All right, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Wednesday adjective. European. European. To be from the continent of Europe. Yeah, so this is a European map. Nice. There are different cultures and different European cultures and countries. Cultures and countries, yeah. How cool is that? I wrote a European song. I know a European language, German. I know a European language, German, yeah. How cool is that? These are old European stories. European stories. We have heard all sorts of strange European fairy tales. Yeah, all sorts of strange European fairy tales. How cool is that? Yeah. So we could say then, I am European. Yeah, from the UK, from England. She is a European person, for example. He has a European car. A car that's from Europe. European car. How cool is that? They read different European newspapers, for example. It is the European continent, the landmass. It is our European house. A European house in the style, culture, colours, themes, objects, tools, things like that. A European house. Materials, plastering, the construction, layout. How cool is that? So, that was the oldest European painting here. There are different European paintings in the gallery. Yeah, different kinds, different art styles. And we are writing a European-inspired opera. Those operas are very European in their language, costumes, lyrics, and ideas. Yeah, very European. How cool is that? We have a lot of European food and drinks for sale. How cool is that? Soon they will have a new European style for sale. So these European bricks are good for cold climates. Cold climates in the winter. Yeah. How cool is that? So European. So Europe. Yeah. A European map. A European person. European car. European language. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So European. Now, can you use European in a sentence? Comment below. And like the video. Yeah. And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram when you look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.